Good morning, children. Let's continue with the same chapter. So, today we will do sum number 9. So, in a competition, 5 marks are given for every correct answer and minus 2 marks are given for every incorrect answer. Now, this is the condition, and now our first sum is Anjali scored 30 marks. If she got 10 correct answers, how many questions she answered incorrectly? What we have to do first, she has scored 30 marks and she got 10 correct answers. So first we will find out marks scored for 10 correct answers. Okay, marks scored for 10 correct answers. So what will be the marks? 10 into 5, that is equal to 50. Because 5 marks are given for every correct answer. So she has got 10 correct answers. Now, what is Anjali's score? Anjali's score is 30 marks. Now, so therefore we can easily find out marks obtained for incorrect answers, isn't it? So incorrect answers, what we have to do, she has got total marks 30, so 30 minus 50 we will do, that is equal to minus 20. Okay, now what is marks given for one incorrect answer? Minus 2. So therefore the number of incorrect answers, is equal to minus 20 divided by minus 2. Because for each incorrect answer minus 2 and she has obtained incorrect marks for incorrect answers minus 20. So both we will divide. So 20 divided by 2, 10, and minus minus will cancel. So answer is 10. How many questions she answered incorrectly? 10. Now next, Rohan got 4 correct answers. Okay, and if he scored minus 12 marks in the competition, how many questions he answered incorrectly? Same question, but here he has got 4 correct answers and his marks is minus 12. So same way we will solve marks scored for 4 correct answers. First we will solve marks scored for 4 correct answers. So 4 into 5, that is equal to 20. And what is Rohan's score? Rohan's score is minus 12. So therefore we can easily find out marks scored for incorrect answers. Marks scored for incorrect answers. So he has total score is minus 12, minus 12, minus 20. What will come? Minus 32. Now, all of you know marks given for one incorrect answer is 2. So, therefore, question is how many questions he answered incorrectly. So, the number of questions, the number of incorrect answers is equal to minus 32 divided by minus 2, that is equal to 32 divided by 2, and that is equal to 16. So answer is 16. Clear? Now let's do the next sum. Simplify. Okay. Now 23 we have here, 23 plus 18 divided by 8. So first we have to solve the bracket, as all of you know. So 23 plus 18, 8 minus 2 is 6. Plus 3, we can solve this also simultaneously. 3 fours is minus 12 because minus sign is here. Now what we have to solve? This is this we can open the bracket, 23 plus 18 divided by 6. Plus minus becomes minus 12. Now we will solve the division part. 18 divided by 6 is 3 and minus 12 Now 23 plus 6 is 26 minus 12 and our answer is 14. Now come to the next sum. All of you can see the sum. So first we will solve this bar and rest of the sum we will write as it is. 11 plus 30 divided by 4 minus, this will 7 minus 5 is 2. Close all the brackets. Now 2 into 5. Next we will solve first bracket. First we will solve first bracket, then second bracket, then third bracket. 4 minus 2 is 2. Now first bracket is removed. Only second and third bracket we have. Now inside second bracket we have two signs, plus and divide. So first we have to divide. So 11 plus 15. Now we will remove the second bracket also. 11 plus 15 is 26. Now we will solve the third bracket. 8 minus 26 is 18 and minus 18 it will come. So 2 into 5 plus 18. First we will solve this one. 2 5s are 10 plus 18 and our answer is 28. Children, please practice this chapter. Thank you.